So for the last week or so, I've been playing with Arduinos, trying to teach myself how to program these guys properly and use them for my own good. So I decided to show you what I had achieved because I feel pretty proud of myself. Coding is ain't easy task, and I was never a pro at it. And I did achieve some success, and I want to show you what I had made. This is a Arduino Nano clone that's driving this 20 by 4 LCD display. This is only a prototype, but it should give you an idea of what is coming. You see digital power meter and 3-channel voltage, current, and power measurement. It's only measuring the floating inputs, so if I keep touching this, it's just going crazy. There is no pull down resistor on the inputs, but it should give you a general idea of how this thing is looking. Now, the plan is to create a panel for a power supply. Surprise, surprise. Now, this should give me an ability to implement this into any power supply to do voltage, current, and power measurements, and maybe even other things. So it's just really cool to have this brain box work the way I want it to work, and it's a really big achievement. Anyway, if you hadn't seen this on the community tab, go ahead and click the bell icon so you receive notifications. I always throw something on there for you guys to see, and I posted this I think a week ago. So now this is the actual update I had since updated it, and I added 2 more channels. So pretty cool. So in the future, most likely, because I already ordered the parts, there will be a full build of this and possibly an implementation into one of my new power supplies. So pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Like it, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more cool things like this. And I will see you in the next one.